Hello everyone and welcome back to Gossipfunda again, and in this video we're gonna talk about some of the alternatives of Identityserver. So if you are also looking for the one, then this video might help you. So watch the video till end and let's start the video without any delay. So the first alternative for Identityserver is Microsoft Entra ID. The Microsoft Entra ID can be best alternative as it allows you to verify once and use everywhere, provides self-service account recovery, allows you to access high-value apps and resources, and it is easy to set up and use. The second alternative is OneLogin. The OneLogin is trusted by over 5,500 customers globally, having more than 6,000 application integration. OneLogin provides you fast implementation, easy setup, ease of doing business, higher user adaptation, and many other features. The other alternative is Jump Cloud. The Jump Cloud is trusted by over 200k organizations worldwide. They have more than 5,000 customers and more than 1,500 service providers. Jump Cloud easily manages everything, which helps you to avoid IT sprawls. It also helps you to reduce cost and also provide complete IT coverage. So these were some alternatives of identity servers. Apart from this, there are many other service providers such as Rippling, LastPass, Okta Workforce Identity, and many others. You can choose accordingly. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.